guys. We're going to be showing you all the stuff that we got from B&M and World Food. Let's get into it. First, we have the chubby blueberry flavour. We have another flavour of chubby. That is Cola Champion Mar. Next, we have got Prime. We've never had Prime before. Tropical Punch. Okay, another flavour of chubby. It's called. And
I think that's pineapple.
Okay, pineapple.
Next, we have Prime raspberry flavour.
Next, we have honeycomb. I've never tasted honeycomb, but I really want the honeycomb. This is from Dad's bank account, so I have to give him the money that how much he paid for this. Sandy, how much is it?
It was £3.
£3. Well, it's okay, I've like £80.
Milk straws, blue, black, raspberry.
Next, we have Doritos nacho cheese. Remember, don't ever forget the Doritos. We got the actual Doritos, a hint of salt, corn chips.
Next up, we have squash.
Up next, we have mayo, and I do not like mayo, but I have to test it.
It's the QP mayo from the World Food Store.
Next up, we have Texas barbecue Pringles.
Favorite flavours. Mine too. Next, we have Flaming Hot Cheetos.
And next up, we have my Space Raiders.
What flavour?
Pickled onion.
And last but not least,
Little
mushrooms.
what are they called? Enoki.
Enoki mushrooms. It's like mushroom rolls from Sonic 2 when he's See you in the next video when we taste it.